Well, let's get growing.
Greetings, growers. I'm here at Mission Control preparing the next phase of our rescue efforts for our stranded astronaut. Thank you for signing up for free seeds. You'll receive further instructions soon about when to pick those up. For now, it's time to build your teams. This is your next Grow This Throwdown challenge. Create a Facebook group and get 10 other growers in your area to join. These can be friends, people from your church or school, or just folks you know from the local feed and seed or community garden. These groups are essential for staying in touch with other growers and coordinating your efforts around the Grow This Throwdown. Having an active group full of passionate growers will make it much easier to complete challenges and earn points for your counties. For every county with at least one Grow This Facebook group, we will award 500 points to the county team. We will also award points for the most creative group, so be sure to come up with a catchy name and creative banner image. The most creative groups county will receive an additional 2,000 points. Remember, these are your groups. They're not affiliated with Grow This Mission Control, so they can look and operate however your members would like them to operate. We just ask that you try and keep things nice and civil. We might all be in separate groups, earning points for different county teams, but ultimately, we've got the same mission. We are growing for the good of all. I'll be back soon with another challenge related to this rescue mission. Until then, let's get growing.